What's good, everybody? It is your girl 313 Retro Queen, and I am here because I picked up some merchandise from some really dope people, and I wanted to share it with you and give you a chance to be able to grab your own as well. So it's a small little haul I got here. First off, I'm gonna get started with a t-shirt I picked up from my boy IDA Sneakerhead. Try and get this open. I haven't even opened this yet. It's been here for a minute, but I chose the black tee. Here we go. Y'all can see that. All right, we're checking that out. Looks like a pretty dope t-shirt here. Looks comfy. So we got the t-shirt in here, of course. IVA. See that? If you're not following them on Instagram and you're not following them on YouTube, y'all need to be doing that. Check him out. Cool cat. Funny dude. He got a little packet here. I got some rubber wristbands, if y'all see that. Let's see. IVA Sneakerhead. And you got YouTube on the back. Oh, look at him getting his promote on. So you got that in red and black. And also, my man in here got that card going. You see that? He official. He official. So there go the name. Y'all see that? Check him out. Follow him on YouTube. Follow him on Instagram. All right. That's my boy right there. Cool guy. So, up next, something I've been waiting for. I picked up this next. It's a t-shirt. I got it from LA Sneakerheads. I'm sorry. LA Airheads. I'm sorry. I apologize for that. I have been waiting for this product here. I just want to let y'all know I ordered it. There was kind of a wait on it. But I didn't mind the wait because they have the most excellent customer service. They kept in touch. They let me know what was going on. You know, they hit me up. You know, you being so patient. You know, thank you. We appreciate you. Thank you. You know what? It's no big deal. Let me know what's going on. And I appreciate that. So, here we are. Here's my, oh, you got a nice little sticker in here. Look at that. Just MAXIN. If you don't know, I got this to go with my Air Max Susans. So, I was hoping they would get something to match this. And I got a thank you card here from them. I appreciate you guys. If you're not following them, they have a hashtag. Use it. Hashtag LA Airheads. Check that out. Check them out on Instagram. And it looks like we have a chain here. Looks like you can hang from your sneakers. That's very dope. It's etched in there. I love that. And it looks like it's a little, see the leather or rubber. I'm not going to open it right now. And it looks like we got some lace locks. Those gonna be dope on there. Y'all see that? Just MAXIN. All right. And here is my tee. Like, I'm so excited about this t-shirt. Like, I can't even get it out. Okay, here we go. Dopeness, dopeness, dopeness. Okay, like, how fly is this going to be with those Susans? Okay, now, I don't know if y'all have seen the Susans. I'm gonna get y'all a little photo together on that, but fly. Like this right here, I wanted this shirt. I wanted it from them, and I got it. So I am very happy. I am very happy. Again, y'all just go ahead and follow LA Airheads on Instagram. Y'all check them out. They got some dope stuff to go with all your Air Maxes. So y'all give them a shot. The information for both IBA and LA Sneakerheads will be in the description down below. Websites will be there. Information on how to purchase all this merchandise will be on there. So shout out to y'all. Thank y'all so much. Like I said, y'all get out here. Y'all support each other. You know what I'm saying? We all out here grinding, doing our thing. They got this dope merchandise. You know what I'm saying? Don't let it go to waste. You know what I'm saying? Go purchase, buy. Match your sneakers, people. So, this last thing isn't from anything sneakerhead related. I picked up this sucker is huge. You understand? It is gigantic. But, and I don't know what I was thinking 10 inches looked like, but this wasn't it. And I'm having some difficulties getting this out of the box. So y'all bear with me. I don't know why I didn't take this out before, but I'm not a huge Funko Pop person, okay? I collect certain ones. I don't know if y'all know. I like Harley Quinn, Michael Jordan, of course. Who doesn't? Prince, things like that. But I saw this and I had to have it. It is the 10-inch Michael Jordan Funko Pop. Look at them shoes. He got on them playoff 11s on there. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Now, there's another one as well. I haven't ordered it yet. It's a... forgive me, I forget the name, but this was a Foot Locker exclusive here. Michael Jordan. Oh, the other one that comes, he is wearing the Concords. That is a Fanatics exclusive. So, be on the lookout because I will be grabbing that one and doing a video on that as well. But all in all, I'm kind of digging the hole. I want to go ahead and get all the Jordans that come out. The Funko Pops, that's going to be my thing. Just Jordan though, because I know there's like so many and I got enough habits. Like these sneakers, they take up a lot of money, okay? And I don't know if y'all been watching, but I got 2 little boys and they take up some money too. So, got to keep my habits at bay. Don't want to be over here trying to sell nothing to pay my light bill next week. So, keep my habits at bay. But again, thank y'all for tuning in, checking me out. IBA Sneakerhead, Just MAXIN, LA Airheads. Check them out. Description information is down below. The information is down below in the description. I'm going to get it together. Recording 2 videos. I don't know if y'all saw the previous one, but your girl rocking the same shirt. Same day, 2 videos. Same day, 2 videos. But again, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Y'all hit them up. Be kind. Support your people. Support your people. Peace.